Captain Maddie, I'm happy to report that our submarine is operating in tip-top ship shape.
Excellent, Lieutenant Triggs. We can always rely on the Squeezy Weezy.
The world's first submarine powered exclusively by bubbles.
Bubbles, bubbles, everybody's blowing bubbles, 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 down in our submarine. My name's Captain Maddie,
And I'm her number 2.
in a squeezy weezy submarine we explore the ocean blue.
Each adventure's different, exploring new frontiers.
Discovering new worlds each day by following our ears. Bubbles, bubbles, everybody's blowing bubbles, 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 down in our submarine.
Fun.
When you're a raindrop, you just learn to go with the flow.
I really like this guy.
Yeah, well, I think he's boring.
Boring, you say? Me? Well, let me tell you a thing or two about a thing or two. I'm just a wee little raindrop, but I've got stories to tell. Just last week I was up in a thunderstorm, and then I was down in a well. I've jumped through the trees in the jungle, I've tap danced across the waves. I go with the flow, where to, who knows, but I'm dancing all the way. Come dance with me, Maddie and Triggs.
Wanna dance, Triggs?
It would be my honor, Maddie. Huh?
Whoa! Yup! Yup!
Yeah.
Whoa!
Come and dance with me. I've danced on a happy penguin and tickled his small little nose. I've danced on an African elephant's ears and trickled right down to his toes. I've discoed with dingoes in Darwin, I've swayed with seagulls in Maine. I go with the flow, where to, who knows, but I'm dancing all the way. Rain dance, rain dance, rain dance. Come and dance with me. I see somebody in this tent who isn't wiggling their toes.
What, me?
Yes, you, Dad.
Come on and dance with us, Mr. S.
It's a bit tight in here for dancing.
Yeah, Mr. Grumpy Pants. Come and dance with us.
Well, maybe I could give it one go. I've always loved going camping, I've never been fond of a dance. I'd set up my tent and clean as I went, not leaving one detail to chance. But the weather is something you can't control, and I'm learning to go with the flow. And just like this raindrop, from now on I'll be dancing as I go.
Go, Dad!
Nice moves, Mr. S.
That's the spirit, Mr. Grumpy Pants. Just go with the flow. Rain dance, rain dance, rain dance. Come and dance with me. Well, time for me to be off now. There's a mountain range not far from here that needs a soaking.
Bye, Mr. Raindrop. Thanks for the dance.
Toodaloo.
See you next time, Mr. Raindrop.
Bye-bye now.
Listen to the sound of the old factory.
It sounds like a big space robot.
Whoa! Space robots!
Okay, everyone, we're nearly out of the park, and we're going to be joining the other traffic, okay?
We're ready, Dad. It's time to get on the intergalactic superhighway.
Yes!
Just, don't forget to check for traffic and signal, Mr. S.
Of course, Triggs. Here we go.
Woof, woof.
Blast off in 3, 2, 1. Cruising like a comet on the superhighway, shooting like a rocket, a galaxy far away. cosmos. Aliens point the way. Automatic robots on our own. A journey so far from home. Daring like a bright laser beam. Here we go. Here we go. La 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 la.
These are the adventures of Maddie and Triggs. Oh, and Daddy as well. Don't forget about Daddy. Intergalactic explorers. Flying through space. Exploring new frontiers. And side ears. And noses. And doggy paws. And oh, look, a doggy bikini. Doo-dee-doo-dee-doo-dee-doo. Dee-doo-dee-doo-dee-doo-doo. Doo-dee-doo-dee-doo-dee-doo. Dee-doo-dee-doo-dee-doo-doo.
Whee! Mission Control, we have landed safely at school.
Oh, don't worry, Maddie. I'm sure the postman will be here soon with Uncle George's letter.
You really think so?
Well, I sure hope so. Just think of all those stories. The travels, the adventures. Oh, Mr. Postman, have you got our letter? I can't wait to hear all about George's great adventures. Woof! Oh, Mr. Postman, it's so exciting to pretend that I'm a great explorer out on his travels with him. Swimming with wild dolphins, sailing across the ocean. I think I smell the postman coming now.
That's definitely him this time, Triggs. Quick!
Hello, Mr. Oh.
Milkman's here. Is your mum or dad in, please?
Triggs, what's happening?
Maddie, we seem to be on board some kind of a train.
And not just any old train. It's my magical disco train.
Magical disco train?
All aboard!
Everybody thinks I'm just a frumpy, grumpy gran who's only ever interested in tea. But come and take a spin on board my magic disco train, and pretty soon I think you will agree. I am a super funky granny and I drive the disco train. There's more to me than biscuits, tea and chat. I love to keep it wild, adventure is my middle name.
And we have to say we weren't expecting that. Triggs, this is so cool!
I know, Maddie. I wonder what else Granny gets up to.
Are we all ready for takeoff?
Take off?
I didn't mention that it was a flying train, did I?
A flying train?
Sometimes when I realize the biscuits are all gone and there's nothing in the house to dip in tea, I take a spin across the sky to visit Mr. Moon and buy a tasty box or 2 or 3.
Hello, I'm Mr. Moon. Any interest in a spoon or a candle or this tub of mayonnaise? I sell woolly socks and cuckoo clocks and this here fancy biscuit box and myriad things to brighten up your day.
She is a super funky granny and she drives a disco train. She is full of surprises, as you'll see. She loves to keep it wild, adventure is her middle name. But you really cannot beat her cup of tea. Whoa, Triggs! I didn't know you could play the kazoo.
Now, Granny, what'll it be?
Can I have a packet of biscuits,
1 packet of biscuits,
a box of tea bags?
box of tea, no problem. Anything else?
Don't forget the sucky sweets.
Oh, thank you, Maddie. I almost forgot. And a big bag of sucky sweets, please, Mr. Moon.
There you go, Gran. A nice big bag of sucky sweets.
Thank you very much. I'll see you tomorrow for the paragliding, okay?
Not if I see you first, Gran.
She's a super funky granny and she drives a disco train. She turns her life up all the way to 10. She loves to keep it while adventure is her